The California poppy, scientifically known as Eschscholzia californica, is a vibrant and intriguing plant native to the United States. It belongs to the Papaveraceae family, the same family as the infamous opium poppy, Papaver somniferum. However, unlike its relative, the California poppy does not contain the potent opiates that are used to make illegal drugs, making it both unique and legally safe to use. Please note that this video is intended for educational purposes only. It is not intended to diagnose, treat, or cure any ailment, illness, or disease. I recommend you consult with a healthcare professional who is knowledgeable about complementary herbal medicine prior to trying anything new. Growth and habitat. The California poppy thrives in a Mediterranean climate and is predominantly found along the western coast of the United States, from Oregon to California. It flourishes in open, sunny environments and is commonly seen blanketing hillsides and meadows with its golden-orange blossoms. Identification. This plant typically grows about 12 to 18 inches tall. Its leaves are finely divided and have a blue-green color, while the flowers are solitary with 4 petals that close each night or during cloudy weather. The vibrant color and cup-shaped flowers make it easily identifiable. Edible uses and parts. While not widely known for its culinary uses, the leaves of the California poppy are edible when young and tender. They can be used in salads or cooked as greens. However, they are slightly bitter and are usually not consumed in large quantities. Medicinal uses and parts. Medicinally, the California poppy is prized for its sedative and antispasmodic properties. It is used to promote relaxation, alleviate anxiety, and improve sleep. The entire aerial part of the plant, leaves, stems, and flowers, is harvested for medicinal use. It is often prepared as a tea or tincture. The plant is particularly noted for its ability to normalize psychological functions, making it a valuable herbal remedy for conditions like PTSD and anxiety. Additionally, it can suppress lactation in nursing mothers when breastfeeding is not desired, such as in cases of infant loss. This makes it a compassionate aid for mothers dealing with such difficult circumstances. Harvesting. The best time to harvest California poppy is during the flowering period, which typically occurs from early spring through late summer. The plants should be collected on a dry day after the dew has evaporated to prevent mold in storage. Cautions. While California poppy does not contain opiates, it does have potent sedative effects. It is advised not to operate heavy machinery or engage in activities that require sharp cognitive functions after consuming any form of this herb. Additionally, it is always recommended to consult with a healthcare provider before starting any new herbal treatment. The California poppy is a beautiful and beneficial plant that offers a safe, natural option for managing various psychological and physical conditions. With its striking appearance and valuable medicinal properties, it holds a special place in the world of herbal medicine, distinct from its more notorious poppy relatives.